Hi, and welcome to Marcel Creations. We are going to pull out this beautiful shamrock mold again because it's gorgeous. This time I want to try and make the resin a little bit lighter and the mica powder a little bit darker. And we are also going to attempt, and I hope I don't kick myself in the butt, but I'm going to go ahead and try and do mica powder on the edges as well as in this. So we are using Dibble Dabble Olive Vine. I want to open that over there. It's a little bit darker resin this time. And I'll put a link to the other one that we did. It was a lighter mica powder and a darker ink. And this time we're just going to use olive, and it's a super light ink. I'll show you what it looks like. It's actually in the debubbler right now. So we're going to put the mica powder on while we finish waiting for that to debubble, and we'll be right back. I'll put you on a fast forward. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a wipe. I'm going to clean. The edges aren't that big a deal. I should have not done these first. I should have waited and did that last so I don't get my rag all wet. But, you know, why do it the easy way? Okay. And the next thing I want to do is go around these inside edges. Clean that up. I don't want the mica powder showing on the inside edge. Tap that out, make sure we don't have any powder that's going to surprise us. I got a little piece right there. Go ahead and get that cleaned up. And I'm just rubbing the back of my nail on it, so that way I'm not going down inside that crevice and wiping off anything that we don't want to wipe off. Okay, now I think we're ready to pour. You can see our resin's a lot lighter than it was last time. It's getting warm because it's kind of deep. And I'm just going to pour it really slow because I can't spray alcohol into this because we've got mica powder in it, and I don't want to get that mica powder off of there. Well, I don't have as much left over as I thought I was going to. And the next thing I want to do is I just want to go around the mold, and if I see little bubbles sticking to those little crystal looking pieces inside, I just want to give it a little nudge and try and encourage those bubbles to come to the surface. See a bunch of them coming up there. You're not really going to see them in the final project because there are so many of them on the surface that you're not going to tell if there's an actual bubble or not. So this video is actually coming out a day later than normal. It's probably Friday for you if things go like I hope they will. I'm going to be at the hospital with my mother on Thursday. She's having back surgery. And I want to make sure that I'm there with her and my sisters on Thursday. So I have this recorded, pre-recorded, and then ready. It's already in my upload file ready for you guys on Friday so that I can just focus on my mom and her healing, and I don't have to worry about a video for you guys. It's already done. And so if you guys believe in a higher power, just say a prayer for my mom and a speedy recovery. I'd sure appreciate that. And we do have probably an ounce left. I don't know how much our little turtle mold holds. We're gonna find out. I think it's about an ounce. So let's pour that out. And my mom tends to watch these, and she's my biggest fan. She always comments and leaves me the best good jobs, like a mom should, and she does. She's my bestest buddy, and So I'm sure she'll be watching this while she's in the hospital recovering. So hi Mom, love you. I hope you're doing well, you're recovering well. That sounds so weird to say that. You're not even there yet. Oh my gosh, I'm a dork. That was just about right. I got just a tiny bit left and I think I can squeeze it. I'm not gonna push any more into that one, but I think I can get it into this one. Oh yeah, I'll be able to get the rest of it in there. Get us a nice dome on that. So I should have another video up Sunday, but if I don't, my top priority is my mom. So if I don't get one up on Sunday, I apologize now. But we will be back on track hopefully next week. We're going to leave this to cure. I really hope this turns out. I think it's going to be really pretty. I like the color. This is super light. It's I might have wanted to make it a little dark. Make it? I should have maybe made it a little bit darker, but it's done now. So I'm going to watch this for a little bit, pop the bubbles as they come up. And I'll pop the bubbles over here on our little turtle as well. And we will see you when it's ready to demold. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, let's do the turtle first. I love this sound. Am I the only weirdo out there? Oh, so pretty. Look at all this sparkle. This is a fun little mold. Love, love, love that little turtle. Okay. And now this. Here we go again. Oh, isn't that pretty? So the colors aren't as drastically different as they were in the last one. And I'll put a picture there. But the contrast, I think, on this comes from the mica powder versus just the alcohol inks that we used in it. The edges turned out really great. Got a little bit of cleanup to do. But it's very pretty. And it's beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love the green. Maybe we'll choose not so much of a army green, I think, if you will. It's olive green, obviously, but not so much of that color on the edges, and maybe do more of a maybe a forest green, or I'm gonna have 9 million of these things, so I can see it already. Anyhow, let me know what you think. Do you think that's a good idea? Do we go darker on the outside, but more of a green, less of a gold, if you will? This little guy is just so stinking cute. We could definitely go a little bit greener and a little less yellow. It's a yellow green color, but this is just going to be fun. You guys are going to be sick of seeing these things. So if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down in the comment below. Happy to address all those. I always address all of those. If you have any ideas for the border or maybe something else, by all means, I am all ears. Otherwise, we will catch you guys on the next ones. Thank you so much for being here today, and we'll see you then. Take care. Bye-bye.